Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Shopify Search and Discovery apps for better product discovery. Full guide step by step clearly. To activate the Shopify Search and Discovery apps, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Apps section on the left sidebar. In the Apps section, click on the Shopify App Store link. In the App Store, use the search bar to enter Search and Discovery. Find the Search and Discovery app in the search results and click on it. On the app page, click the Add App button to begin the installation process. Follow the prompts and click Install App when prompted. After the app is installed, you will be redirected back to your Shopify admin. Locate the newly installed Search and Discovery app in your apps list and click on it. Once inside the app, familiarize yourself with the main dashboard. Begin by setting up the search preferences for your store. Adjust the settings for filtered search according to your product categories. Enable or disable features like product recommendations based on your store's needs. Next, customize the appearance of search results to match your brand's aesthetics. Save your changes regularly to ensure no settings are lost. Once your setup is complete, test the search functionality on your storefront. Conduct various searches to analyze how products are displayed and adjust filters as needed. Monitor performance analytics within the app to gauge user engagement and product discovery. Make continuous tweaks to optimize the search experience based on customer interactions. By following these steps, you will enhance product discovery for your Shopify store using the Search and Discovery app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.